Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to guide you through the steps to activate your UserTesting tester account so you can start testing websites and earning money quickly. UserTesting is a fantastic platform that allows you to share your opinions on various websites and apps while getting paid for your feedback. Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Sign up for UserTesting. Visit the UserTesting website at www.usertesting.com. Look for the Get Paid to Test button or a similar link that directs you to the tester sign-up page. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and the country you're located in. Make sure to use an email address that you frequently check, as you'll need it for verification. Step 2. Complete your profile. After signing up, you'll receive an email confirmation. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log into your UserTesting account and complete your tester profile. This includes answering demographic questions and providing details about your interests. A well-filled profile increases your chances of being selected for more tests. Step 3. Set up your payment method. To get paid for your testing, you'll need to set up a payment method. UserTesting typically pays via PayPal, so ensure you have an active PayPal account. Navigate to the Payment section within your UserTesting account settings and follow the prompts to link your PayPal account. Step 4. Take the sample test. UserTesting requires new testers to complete a sample test to showcase your ability to provide useful feedback. Follow the guidelines provided in the sample test carefully, as this will help you learn the platform while demonstrating your skills. Remember to speak your thoughts aloud as you navigate the test website. Step 5. Start receiving tests. Once you've completed the sample test, you'll be eligible to start receiving real testing opportunities. You'll receive notifications via email whenever a new test is available. Be quick to sign up for tests, as they often fill up fast. Step 6. Provide valuable feedback. When you're selected for a test, make sure to provide thoughtful and detailed feedback. The better your reviews, the more likely you are to be selected for future tests. Keep your responses honest, critical, and constructive to help improve the platforms you're testing. Step 7. Get paid. After completing your tests, payment will be sent to your linked PayPal account. Ensure you check your account regularly for any completed transactions and to stay updated on your earnings. Thank you for following along with our step-by-step guide on activating your UserTesting tester account. With these straightforward steps, you are now ready to start testing websites and earning money quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy testing!